Hello again guys, it's me, Ricky Ryugasaki playing another walking zombie game. Now I believe last time we played with, or was it Lila, I think, to get some supplies, or was it Boris? I think it's one of those, so I guess I'll go to Elder. Oh wait, is that's the same zombie hunt again. Let's go, cause we need money. Kill all enemy waves, alright. Same old, same old. I think there's still the blow up lighthouse I did last video. This, alright. Let's go, boys. Let's fight it out. I forgot to buy a new weapon. I'm gonna have to abandon the bat, so there will be no more bat breeding. There's no dog zombies, right? Oh frick! Close one. Oh frick, sorry. Frick, I miss. Oh. Ah. Sorry. Those are all the zombie dogs, so it's time for bat breeding, boys. Oh frick! I'm stuck! Oh, there it is. Hey, what is this? Trash? There are like trash zombies here, or hobo zombies? Zombies? A water bottle. Ball of water? Alright, let's go. Damn, that's a lot. It's better to hit the zombies with a bat. It's more satisfying, and you can save more bullets for, the big bads. I think there are zombie bosses in this game, but I haven't encountered one. Only small pickings. Damn, why can't you be hit, boy? Right, there we go. You must be careful about the zombie dogs. Can I reload? There they are. Sorry, zombie dog. No more zombie dogs. I think that's about it. I have to beat them up now. Bat breeding. First form. Welcome all. Oh frick. Take that, boys. Can I ride my motorcycle though? I still can ride. It says here you can drive. I still haven't drive in this zombie apocalypse yet. Only teleport like a Super Saiyan. Oh frick, zombie dogs! Run. Run. Chillax. Sorry, zombie dog. A close one, mate. And one more. Alright. Time for the last wave, boys. Gotta watch out for them zombie dogs. They're very fast than the normal zombies. Oh, there it is. Right, nice. Sorry. More zombie dogs? There's no more. Right, let's clean the house. Damn, Miyazaki-chan, you're getting harder to hit every day. Sorry about that. A little bit of sneezing, but one more guy left. And we're done. Right, I did your mission, Ace. Now give me money. Wouldn't have done. Can I trade now? I'm already filling up stuff. Must trade all the scrap. Sell all scraps. Should I use? Oh, an axe. Or a combat knife. Knife 7 plus 2, axe 8.8 plus 10. 8 plus equals 10. Alright. Can I sell some stuff though from my back? Maybe I can lessen the load. They have bandages, so I'll just sell some beans, I guess. Don't need beans, I already got freaking bandages. Alright, time to go on a quest with Elder. Yeah, how come I didn't, oh yeah. Your mother had been infected during pregnancy and turned right after your birth. Oh yeah, I'm half zombie. Just like every Walking Dead character. Or frankly, main character. Apparently, it made you immune to the virus. So I get plot armor. I don't get it. How is it possible? Yeah, I always knew that I have some... yeah, I always knew that I have some hidden superpower. My mother was one of the test subjects in the nearby science base. When I found out what they were doing there, I helped her escape. Uh, hmm. What happened next? It was that crazy Dr. Smith. He did all kinds of experiments for your mother. What it was for your mother, it was unfortunately too late. Okay, what else? Before all of this broke out, there was a whole system of science bases. One base is nearby, none of us has been there in the last 18 years, as there are tons of zombies there. What else? It would have been a suicide for a mere mortal, but with your immunity, you can definitely make it. Go down there and find out what it looks like. Alright, Pops. I'm gonna do it for you. And see my, you call that? Super hidden superpowers? Search, search the garbage. And that's a lot of zombies. Alright, let's go, boys. Is that a volcano? Oh, frick! And how come I'm moving faster? Damn, the zombies are many. No, I'm not going for an easy barrel. I'll go for headshots. Let's go, yo. Time for another headshot, mate. Oh, frick. Oh, frick, I missed. Right, let's go, mates. Oh, frick. Alright, they did. I reload my current key. Alright. Killing some zombies. First, let me check the garbage. There's some hidden superpower within these garbage bags. Oh frick, zombie dogs! Sorry. Ammo. Oh yeah, I'm a zombie slayer, boys! 200 more to go and I'll be a certified Hashira. Zombie Hashira. Alright, let's go. Searching some garbage. Just another dirty job by Boris. Send him to the grave. Oh frick! Zombie dogs! Sorry. But I must kill you now. Alright, let's go, boys. Headshot in time. Frick, I missed. I'm a disgrace to the sniper community. Ah. Alright, let's do this the old-fashioned way. Search the corpse. Wait, I'm gonna do a detective style. Alright, Sherlock Holmes is on the case, mates. What happened here? No. You're obstruction of justice here, mates. I'm investigating a crime scene. Frick. Zombies. Sorry, zombie dog. Ah, frick it. Bat breeding. First form. Whack-a-mole. Oh frick, I'm not hitting anyone. I'm a sniper, boys. Get sniper shots with a baseball bat. Impressive. Whenever you see a common sniper, it's always the rifles. But you never saw a sniper with a baseball bat before. Those are the rarest ones of all time, mates. Oh frick! Oops. What is this? There's a concert? Nice. What band is playing? Wait, I think I see a safe in that dead body. Where was the dead body again? Can you tell me? No? Okay. I'll just find it myself. Where's the freaking dead body? I remember there's a safe there. There it is. Can I crack this safe open? Alright. How do I do this again? Space, right? Or no, it's this point. What? It breaks? This freaking scary. Fudge. Okay, last one. If I fail, I must suck my... Let's go! I thought there were only beans. There was something important. I almost sucked my own shit there. Alright, Elder, I did your quest. Examine it. Hmm. What does the base look like? I examined the area. There are lots of zombies, but nothing I couldn't handle. Yeah, because I'm a superhuman. Go there, clear the area, and find out how it is with the entrance to the base. Yeah, not now. Well, what the frick did I get? Oh, level up. Oh, time to check my skills there. Yeah, I think I should upgrade health this time. Must upgrade health. And I should upgrade trading. And I should upgrade... speech again? I should upgrade speech. Then upgrade firearms. Then upgrade defense. Then I should upgrade health. Alright. We're all good. We're all good. It's time for me to find some and sell some stuff. Where's the trader? Scrap metal. Alright. Sell some scrap so I can make some money. Can I buy something now? Why is that so expensive? Healing per second. I'm gonna save up for the axe. Let's check about the stuff in my equipment. I still got my baseball bat here. So I can't equip any attachments, mate. Why? Yeah, I think that's about it, guys. This is Walking Zombie 2, and yeah, this is where I drop you off. Goodbye.